Australia.
ออสเตรเลีย
I'd love to go to Australia on holiday. Autumn.
ฤดูใบไม้ร่วง
Autumn is my favorite season. Balance.
สมดุล
Do you have a good work-life balance? Bilingual.
สองภาษา
You need a bilingual dictionary for your English course. Church.
คริสตจักร
We often go to church on Sunday mornings. Competition.
การแข่งขัน
I didn't win the competition. Cycling.
การปั่นจักรยาน
My dad loves cycling. Donkey.
ลา
My daughter is an animal lover and wants to buy a donkey. Excitement.
ความตื่นเต้น
I love the excitement of Sunday morning, before the races start. Fan.
แฟน
Are you a sports fan? Fishing.
ตกปลา
I never go fishing. I don't enjoy it. Flat.
แฟลตที่พัก
Ellie lives in a flat in the town center. Get up.
ลุกขึ้น
What time do you get up? Ground.
พื้น
I usually train at the sports ground. Hard.
แข็ง ยาก
You have to train hard if you want to succeed. Have trouble.
มีปัญหา
Do you have trouble sleeping? Hedgehog.
เม่น
When I was a child, I wanted to have a hedgehog. Horse riding.
ขี่ม้า
He loves horses, so he often goes horse riding. Indian.
ชาวอินเดีย
We went to an Indian restaurant for dinner. Instrument.
อุปกรณ์
My favorite musical instrument is the piano. Irish.
ชาวไอริช
She was born in Dublin, so she's Irish. Italy.
อิตาลี
My parents went to Italy on holiday last year. Jamaican.
ชาวจาเมกา
My dad is Jamaican. Japanese.
ชาวญี่ปุ่น
Do you like Japanese food like sushi? Jockey.
จ็อกกี้
Frankie Dettori is a horse racing jockey. Lively.
มีชีวิตชีวา
It was a lively concert, full of energy and enthusiasm. Market town.
เมือง
I live in a market town which always gets busy on market day. Match.
การแข่งขัน
Would you like to go to the football match next Sunday? Mess.
ความยุ่งเหยิง
The kids were playing all day and the house was a mess. Mile.
ไมล์
1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometers. Miss.
คิดถึง
Did you miss your family while you were away? Musical.
ดนตรี
Would you like to learn how to play a musical instrument? Postcode.
รหัสไปรษณีย์
The letter won't arrive if you don't write the postcode. Put on.
สวมใส่
I'd put on a coat if I were you. It's cold outside. Pajamas.
ชุดนอน
I always watch TV at night in my pajamas. Race course.
สนามแข่ง
There are horse races every Saturday on a racecourse near here. Season.
ฤดูกาล
What's your favorite season, spring or summer? Set off.
ออกเดินทาง
We are all ready, so let's set off for the picnic. Share.
แบ่งปัน
I share a flat with my friend Lucy. Skiing.
เล่นสกี
I love winter because I can go skiing. Smoke.
ควัน
I never smoke at home. Soul.
วิญญาณ
Alexandra's mother was a soul and R&B singer. South African.
แอฟริกาใต้
Johannesburg is the biggest South African city. Spring.
ฤดูใบไม้ผลิ
I like the smell of flowers in spring. Star.
ดาว
My parents are actors. They star in many movies. Stuff.
สิ่งของ
They sell old furniture, decorations, and stuff like that. Summer.
ฤดูร้อน
We often go to the swimming pool in summer. Text.
ข้อความ
I text my friends all the time. Traffic.
การจราจร
My mum was late because the traffic was bad this morning. Train.
ฝึกฝน
You have to train hard to become a professional athlete. Win.
ชนะ
Did you win the match? Windsurfing.
วินเซิร์ฟ
Windsurfing is my favorite sport. Winter.
ฤดูหนาว
Celia loves playing in the snow in winter.